Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Charles Schwab debit card. First, you'll need to open a Schwab investor checking account. Once your account is established, you can easily request your debit card either online through your account portal or by contacting their customer service team directly. After applying, your card and PIN will arrive separately in the mail, ready for activation. To be eligible for a Charles Schwab debit card, you must first open a Schwab Bank investor checking account. This account is often linked with a brokerage account, but you don't need to use the brokerage features. You can apply for the debit card through your online Schwab account or by calling their customer service. Remember to verify your current mailing address to ensure smooth delivery. After your application, expect your Charles Schwab debit card to arrive within 7 to 10 business days. For security, your personal identification number, or PIN, will be sent in a separate mailing. Once you receive your card, you'll need to activate it by calling the automated phone number provided. You can also add your activated card to a mobile wallet for convenient digital payments. The Charles Schwab debit card offers significant benefits, especially for travelers. You'll receive unlimited ATM fee rebates worldwide, meaning Schwab will reimburse any ATM fees charged by other banks. There are also no foreign transaction fees on purchases made abroad. This card allows you to access your funds securely for both online and in-store transactions, providing great financial flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.